Yummy? What is that? Chicken feet. Sabi mo nga, say it, chicken feet. Yes, that is chicken feet. What does it taste? Jam. So yummy? Oh.
Paano ubusin yung ulam nyo?
May I see your feet? Yummy? Tingin ko nga. Hello guys, sabi mo nga. Hello guys, I eat what? You eat what? You eat what? What is that? What yun? What is that? What?